Hello, how are you? How is everyone here? So today we are going to learn listening and speaking. Yeah, today I want to make sure to learn those two skills which are really important in English. So as we saw in the last video, please repeat the sentence. You listen and you repeat the sentence. When you do like this, it will help you so much to understand. So we are going to see a story. Yes, we are going to listen a story. So please listen and repeat the sentences to learn how speaking. So the story, we are going to read the story of a shopkeeper and a client. Yes. Some new words which we will use in this story. There is the word like cost. Cost is money you pay for something. There is thirsty. Thirsty. Thirsty is when you feel like you want water. And compliment. Compliment is when you say something good to a person.
Hello, madam. Good afternoon.
Hello to kids. Good afternoon. How may I help you?
We are really so thirsty. We need some juice. A cold juice. Very cold.
You are in the right place. I really have a very cold juice, kids.
We are really happy to hear this. You can even see happiness in my friend's eyes. We are really thirsty. So, madam, what is the cost of a cold juice?
My juice is cheap. You can afford it. You can get 2 cups of juice at only $1.
Wow, madam, we only have $1 in our pocket. Please give us quickly.
Here it is, kids. How was the juice, kids?
Madam, to be honest, you sell a very delicious juice.
Thank you so much for the compliment. Please always come back.
You are welcome. And, of course, we will come back. And we will tell our friends to come, too. We appreciate your kindness.
Thank you, kids.
You are welcome, madam. Goodbye.
Bye.